Telecom giant Reliance Jio has launched a new web browser for Android users. This web browser is called JioBrowser. The first impression of this app is it's similar to other Jio apps and it has the same design language. On the first page it has latest updates. On the second it's all about news and it's similar to UC browser, the news and video content. The third page is about videos while the fourth is about app links. These pages are for faster browsing of content. On the down here you can find multitasking, and as you can see on the screen, the best thing about the browser is multi-language support. English is the default language. You can change the language as per your needs from setting. One interesting feature of the JioBrowser app is that once you change your language preference to any regional language from the default English language, the app not only changes the interface elements but also changes the content while also including the latest news stories. As you can see in the video, everything has been changed to Kannada language. And it's not only limited to user interface like this. You can also use Google and Facebook in the Jio browser under your regional language preference after you have changed it from default English language. Also, there is an option to adjust the text size manually. As you can see in the video, everything has been changed to Hindi language in the Facebook. You can use this to browse whenever you want in your regional language. Except for dark mode and data saver setting, I found every setting available such as incognito mode and enabling JavaScript for making user experience better. So do check it out guys. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. This is me Satej signing off. See you in next video.